You are going to love the 2021 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, automatic air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.